These are very quick and easy everyday kind of hairstyles for long hair girls. The first one is called braid into bun updo. It's a very nice romantic kind of hairstyle. You just need to divide your hair into three sections. Then I'm going to take this front section of 4 to 5 inches thickness hair close to my ears and then divide it into three sections and braid it. You just need to make a simple braid till the length of your hair and finally secure it with the help of a elastic. Then you're also going to take the same thickness of hair from the other side of your hair and braid it in the same way and secure it with the help of a elastic. Finally, you have two front braided braids in the front. You are going to put all your hair in the ponytail or lower ponytail and also pull this two braids into this hair so that you can secure them with the help of an elastic. Once you secure the braids with the elastic, you are going to remove the elastic from both the braids and open them so that all the hair is same and plain so that it is ready to make it into a bun. Next, I'm going to take this donut looking thing which I got it from H&M, and this one is the bigger size in dark black. This is totally inspired by the sock bun thing. If you don't have this thing, you can definitely go ahead and use your sock bun or a thick rubber band. I'm going to pull out my hair from center of this and then tie it with the help of elastic. There are different ways how you use your sock bun. I like to use it this way because my hair is super long. I don't want it to be very messy. So once you secure it with the elastic, you take the remaining hair and wrap it around your bun, and with the help of your fingers you are going to spread your hair all around this donut thing. And finally I'm going to secure the remaining hair with the help of bobby pins. And this completes the first hairstyle. This is super fast, easy and looks perfect. This goes perfect for all Indian functions as well as Indian outfits. If you want, you can style and accessorize your hair with the help of other hair accessories. And this is how my hair looks after this tutorial. Next is a very simple side French braid. This one is my favorite one for everyday wear because it keeps my whole hair away from my face. I hate when my bangs come on my face on hot summery days in Singapore. You just need to take the crown hair including your bangs into this braid, but if you have shorter bangs you can leave them in the front. I am going to divide it into three sections and start braiding it. It's like a simple braid tutorial. Every time you braid, you take the strand from right into the braid and then like this from the left into the braid. So you keep pulling your hair from your back and front of your head into the side braid and make it a proper French braid. Once there is no more hair to pull into the braid, you can start braiding your hair as your regular simple braid that you do. And again, you can secure your hair with the help of an elastic, and this completes this hair tutorial. It is very simple, quick and fast. If you want to secure your remaining hair with the help of bobby pins, if you don't like hair on your face like I do, you can just pull it with the help of the bobby pins, and you also loosen your braid a little bit so that it gives it a more thickening effect. And this is how my hair looks after I am done. This is one of my favorite hairstyles because it is very quick and fast, keeps the hair away from my back and face. Thank you so much